Friends, today I am going to show you the similarities between this book, Arusha and the End of Time by Roshni Chokshi, and Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. These are very mythological or fiction, if you say, books, and they are very similar. In this book, Arusha, there is I have created a book review on it, so check the link in the description box. So in this book there is Arusha. She's a girl, 11-year-old, and she releases mistakenly the demon whose name is the Sleeper, and she has to go on a quest to arrest him or catch him and bring him back into the cursed lamp which she lighted and accidentally freed the demon Sleeper. And in this book, Percy Jackson, check the link in the description box, this video's book review. So in this book it is Greek mythology. This book is Hindu mythology. So in this book it is like Greek mythology or Greek fiction, and it is a series, and he realizes when he is my age or 11 or bigger, he realizes that he is a son of a god, a Greek god. So let's start with the similarities. So the first and the simplest and the most recognizable similarity is both have some type of gods in it. This is Greek. In this there are Hindu gods. The second, number 2, is in both their quest, he goes on a quest, she goes on a quest. So in their quest, they have to travel through the underworld, and it is like they meet the Lord of Death, God of the Death. So here Arusha, she meets Chitragupt, the accounter for the good and bad deeds the human has done in Hindu mythology. So he is the account. He keeps the accounts of which good deeds and which bad deeds have these people done. But here there is a misunderstanding that Zeus, god of the sky, has his master bolt, and that has been stolen by Poseidon, he thinks, god of the sea, which is his father. So the third difference is both are the sons and daughters, the children of gods. Percy Jackson is the son of Poseidon, god of the sea in Greek mythology, and Arusha is the child of Indra, daughter of Indra, god of the sky. He controls the rain and lightning, and he has his main thunderbolt. Zeus has his main master bolt. So the next difference is both have to go on a quest, but the reasons why they have to go are different. Percy Jackson's reason is he is the main suspect about the crime of Zeus's master bolt. Zeus thinks Poseidon or his child has stolen the master bolt, but here it is different. Here it was Aru's mistake to light the lamp. She accidentally had freed the sleepers. So these were the main three differences. Now, so the fourth difference is the both heroes travel in company with two other companions. So in Percy Jackson, there are Grover and Annabeth. Grover, Annabeth and Percy. So Annabeth, she's the child of Athena, the god of war in Greek mythology. So she's the child of Athena, the daughter of Athena. And there's Grover. He is a satyr. There is written that satyrs are beings assigned for taking half-bloods to the safe place. Half-bloods are the children of God who are half mortal and half god. So Grover is a satyr, and in Arusha there is Aru, Mini, and Boo. When Aru meets him first time, Boo says, "You may call me Subala. My name is too long for such a mere child to say." So she calls him, "No. How about Sue?" Boo says, "Sue is a girl's name." Aru says, "Then how about Boo?" So she calls him Boo. He is a pigeon actually, and later in the middle end, there is told that Subala is Shakuni. The Pandav Kaurav Mahabharat, if you know, it is a war between cousins. So Shakuni was on the Kaurav's side and helped them very much. So he was considered bad. But here it is said that Shakuni he changed a lot in personality. So here it is said that it is he has become good, and when the sleeper finds him, he says, oh, you so mere children are calling you Boo now. How about Shakuni?" Then Aru says, "Huh, Shakuni? Is that his name?" So then you will find that all in the book review. So that was it. So the four differences done. The last, final, fifth difference is both the books are RR Presents. Rick Riordan Presents. So that was it. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share to this video, and press the bell icon for my channel. Get all the notifications and subscribe to my channel. Yay! So bye.